here we go. Unclog my wife's hair. Let's do it. Oh no. I need a motherfucking bucket. Need a bucket. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Crappity, 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 I need a bucket. Ooh, that stinks. Coffee! Dinner! Woo! Let's throw that away. Let's put that there. That's what. Oh, there we go. Nasty. Woo! Oh. Here we go. Oh man. Look at the hair. Oh man. Oh. There it is. Ah. Woo! Nasty. That is nasty. Oh. Oh man, that's nasty. Then the other thing, put some soap in it. Woo, that's nasty. Woo, that's stinky. Oh man. What's that? More hair? Yeah, I just washed my hands. Okay. Put that one on first, and then put some of this on. Come on. I took my shirt off because I knew it was gonna be nasty. I wanted to ruin my shirt, my Smiley shirt. Whew. Yeah, let's see. Shit doesn't drip. Woo! There it goes. Oh man, that was nasty. Whew. Here we go. Hey, that was nasty. There's hair down there. Lots of hair.